Hello friends, welcome. Today we're having banana bread. Happy holiday, darlings. Of course, as the name says banana, you're using banana. You're using equal measurement of the banana as the peanut, okay? This case, I'm using 2 bananas, which gave me 2 cups of banana puree. And then I'm using 2 eggs and 2 cups of peanut butter. A good peanut butter, okay? Unsweetened. Because we are not using sugar for this recipe. So what I used, instead of sugar, you could use honey, but I used date syrup. So that is even healthier. Use whatever you have. You can use sugar if you want to, but we just keep the sugar just to make it a bit healthier. Mix it together and added, of course, 2 spoons of baking powder, okay? Mix it together. It's so easy. This is one of the easiest recipes you can easily make with your babies this holiday time. Take it with you to your in-laws house. They'll be so impressed. And you didn't really put much work. Oh, I lined the mold. I lined it with parchment paper so it's easy to remove when I'm done. And I decided to be extra. Why not? We added dark chocolate chips, and then we also added pecan, darling. Pecan it has to be. Walnuts, pecan, whatever nuts you prefer. And I just swirled them together with a fork. And you tent it. Don't cover it as I did because I almost destroyed my cake. Tent it, like put the foil paper above, like in a way that it protects it until it's cooked. I put it in the oven, 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. After 20 minutes, I removed the tent and let it bake and yummy up. It was happening. You use a fork or a knife to punch through it, and if it comes out clean, you know you're good to go. Yummy in my tummy. Please do subscribe. Help this auntie. It's a Christmas period now. Subscribe. Merry Christmas to me. Enjoy and thanks for watching.